How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to hardwire a radar detector into your S197 Mustang. So that's the 05 to 09. It's a little different depending if you have centered or automatic, what wire you're going to be able to tap into or fuse. So obviously you want to disconnect your negative. I already have done all the testing and stuff, so I've got the negative back on. But you're going to need to remove these panels. The clips are very tough. They're reusable metal clips, so you just pull hard and they'll pop out. As you can see, I've got them all pulled. You're going to be running the wire along here and up here, and I recommend getting a mirror mount. I bought mine off Amazon. See the one that I got? It's really good. It's full metal. It's got little rubber pieces in here. This thing cranks tight, and I did have to put JB weld in there on that thread for that thing. You can see a bit of it pulled out, but I also had to put some electrical tape on the back of where it slips into my radar detector. So this way, if you do what I just said, it won't be wiggling around at all. As a lot of people I see a lot of people on Amazon complaining about that, but it's very easy to fix that if you just have a bit of creativity. So down here is where your fuse box is. Gonna pull that panel out. I'm tapped into number 7. You can buy a kit, a radar detector hardwire kit from Amazon. Just make sure it's compatible with your detector, it'll say. So I tapped into number 7, which is for the overdrive switch, and my car's standard, so I won't be needing that. So that one is a keyed fuse, so that's what you want. You want it to come on when you turn the key. All the ones that are empty, those ones it's gonna come on when, like, as soon as you plug it in, basically. Like, they're not keyed. So some people are saying number 15 is the way to go, but that, like, you can see all the numbers on here, which one's which. That's number 15. So I tried that one and it killed my brake lights, and whoever is out there suggesting that is, maybe it worked on their Mustang, or maybe they're just an idiot. But it says right in the manual here, which I still have for my Mustang, the little mini manual, it says that one is for the brakes, for the lights, the brake lights. So you definitely don't want to tap into that. If you have an automatic, you can either tap into the one that is for your mirrors. Let's take a look here. That's number 4. So, but as you can see, I am on number 7, the overdrive cancel. So if you got your mirror set and you're the only one who drives the car, that's not really much of a sacrifice. But if you don't want to even make that sacrifice, what you can do is splice into the 4 blue wire that's in here. It's an 18 to 20 gauge, and that goes to your antenna, and that's keyed. So that's a keyed wire, and so yeah, that's how you do it, basically. So you'll have your radar detector hanging from the mirror, which is a really stable way to do it. You want your radar detector up high. You don't want it on the dash too low. You want it to be working at an optimal level. Plus, it can see out the back window better, sense out the back window, I should say. You can get little clips for the wire, or you can just use like really good tape, but definitely don't be pulling on your the foamy fabric up here, because that's not going to be easily fixable. You can tuck it up in there real neat with some electrical tape probably, but I'll show you what I'm using here. I had these things left over. You can probably get them online. These little clips, they've got 3M tape, and they came with my dash cam, which I'm not using anymore. So I'm going to be using some of those to they'll hold the wire on. And I also forgot to mention, you're gonna have to Dremel a couple slots, or you can use a drill, so that wire can come out of the fuse box. And up here, that is the ground that you can share. So hopefully this makes the install very simple and easy for you guys. And here's the finished product. As you can see, I used 3 of those, and then the wire goes under there. So make sure you got it pointed forward nicely, and goes down through here. I used a bit of tape to keep it stuck in there while I was mounting these back on, but I put this one on first, then the one down here, and then that one. So alright, let's turn the key.
Uniden. X-band. K-band. Ka-band. Laser.
Good to go.